All you have to do to change your sensitivity in Roblox Mobile is to use an Android device. Then the method I'm going to show you works for Android, but I'm not sure if it works for iOS, and I do not know if there is a way to do this on an iPhone or iPad. For this method, you have to exit Roblox and open up the settings on your Android device. Scroll down into the additional settings and find a way to enable the developer options. I'm not going to show you how to do it in this video because you have many different ways of doing this depending on your phone, but it's a very quick and easy process as long as you look it up on Google. Once you have access to the developer options, you have to scroll down until you find the minimum widget or smallest widget width option. As you can see, this is the width option I was talking about, and if you cannot find it in that menu, I recommend using a search bar if your phone allows it to look for width. After you find the minimum width or smallest width option, you just have to change this number. I recommend changing it to 320 because that's going to give you a big difference on your sensitivity inside Roblox, but you can try different numbers to see how it feels. The more you change this number, the more different your sensitivity is going to feel inside Roblox.